Hi guys, this will be a short first look video on Burmester 933 clone that I got from AliExpress. It's produced by Breeze Audio, as you can see on the logo. So on the outside, power on switch, a volume pot. On the back, just give me a second, and we're back. On the back we have RCA inputs for right and left channel. We have speaker tabs. I think these are quite nice quality speaker tabs for the right and for the left speaker. We have voltage selector, and we have AC compartment with AC connector. In my case, that's IEC 19 as far as I remember, with fuse compartment hidden here. So what's inside? Inside we have a quite nice toroidal transformer with very good metal shielding. Yeah. The case is made from very thick aluminium. There are two versions available, two types of cases. The first one is basically the same as for the Musical Fidelity A1 clone that I've reviewed, and the second one is this one. I've ordered this one because I think it looks better to my taste, and I didn't want to have two amplifiers looking exactly the same. So, big toroidal transformer in nice shielding, and the power banks, the capacitor power banks, we have 4 capacitors per side, each one of them 10,000 microfarads rated for 63 volts, so 40,000 microfarads for left and for right channels. As we can see, the PCBs are separate. So we basically have a symmetrical mirror design for the left and for the right channel, although the power source is the same, the power transformator here is the same. We have blue ALPS ALPS potentiometer for the volume regulation. Why can't I focus on that one? Yeah. Yep. Like that. We have some nice ceramic resistors here and here. We have some red VIMA capacitors. All the red ones here and the big red ones here are VIMAs. I'm trying to get a focus on that again. Yeah, here. These electrolytes are Nippon Chemical capacitors, and we have some Omron relays, and we have some again operational amplifiers here, but these op-amps are precise OP07 op-amps, and they are used for DC servos, for amplifiers. The rectifiers are here, and they are using some large heat sinks, which is a very good thing. I think this is the first or the second of the clones that's actually using heat sinks for rectifiers. Yeah. So I like the design, I like the build quality. The capacitors are made by a company I have no idea of, some Elite. Let's see, like that. So these would be the first things to replace if I want like the sound, or if I want to tune the sound. You can see that the wiring is quite neat. It's actually a serviceman or do-it-yourself guy dream came true, because all of the connectors are pluggable, and you can remove everything, and you can remove the board, you can remove the heatsinks very easily. Yeah, the heatsinks. We have pairs of sunken transistors. They are supposed to be matched as pairs. Yeah, and we have some smaller ones. I think these are only ones, but I won't be able to. Yeah, I won't be able to get a focus on them. Yes, what I don't like, what I don't think I like, is the fact that if you take a look, the connector from RCA goes via this cable to the PCB board here, and let's try to get a focus here. We have a, can you see that trace running along the edge of PCB? The same trace, yeah, this one goes along the whole PCB, yeah, up here to this place, and that's the same trace, and it goes into this connector to volume pot. I don't like the fact that this PCB trace is running around the board for so long. I will probably do a bypass mode on the volume pots anyway. So what I'll try to do is to connect the input directly to the PCB here using some kind of nice quality shielded cable. Yeah, but that's for future. The first thing to do is to do the full review to learn how does it sound. If it sounds good or if it sounds bad. I got this one because it's one of the small sized power amplifiers, and it's supposed to sound really good, as the Burmester name suggests. It's also in the same ballpark when it comes to the price as Musical Fidelity A1 clone, though this one is way more powerful because this one works in class AB, and it's as far as I remember, it's something like 120 watts per channel into 4 ohms load. So that's more powerful. It's not class A, it's class AB, but I'm really curious to compare them because both of them are more or less the same money, and the size is also very similar. So if you're looking for something small but powerful, this may be a good choice. So stay tuned for the full review coming, I hope quite soon, because it's already after the burning process. Now I just need to find some time to do a proper listening session, to connect it with my speakers, to check how does it behave with my Martin Logan Motionless and the big ones, Martin Logan Ascens electrostat speakers. Yeah. So I hope you liked this short first video look, and if you're interested in this particular amp, I think it was about $200. Stay tuned for full review, and have a nice day, guys.